trying to get the word out there that I haven't suffered from a hemiplegic migraine at all for over a year since starting onto the lion diet, which is where you just eat beef and you just drink water and that is it. I've not had one at all for over a year now. I suffered from hemiplegic migraines for over a decade. In 2023, I was getting them every 2 weeks. It was unbearable. I had periods where I didn't get them quite as frequent, but I've never had a period as long as this, an entire year, without a hemiplegic migraine since it started. But the lion diet fixed it for me. So now that I've got that out of the way and you have that information, you can do what you want with it. You can research further, you can watch my other videos, whatever it is you want to do. I thought we would waste some time by Googling what causes hemiplegic migraines. Because this is what I used to do. This is probably what you're doing right now if you're suffering from this, trying to find answers. And we'll look at the utter rubbish that we get back. So straight away, we've got an AI overview that says that it's dysfunction in the brain's electrical and chemical signals, particularly those involving neurotransmitters like serotonin. So nothing actionable there, nothing interesting, nothing you could do anything with. Let's have a look at the Cleveland Clinic. They are saying it is overactive nerve cells. Nerves can carry an electrical charge that helps ion molecules pass through it to help neurotransmitters send messages and communicate with different parts of your body. So we've got a bunch of other useless stuff. What triggers it? Stress. This is all part of the gaslighting, because obviously you can't prove that you're not stressed. And then every time you get this, you start questioning, what was it that stressed me out? This is the #1 trigger, apparently. I've been stressed in the past year. I'm not scared of stress anymore because I know it has nothing to do with hemiplegic migraines. Changes in your sleeping pattern, well, what are you going to do about that? Some days you're not tired, some days you are. Physical exertion. Again, we've got a life to live. We can't just live idly. We have things to do. Head trauma. If you've had head trauma, there's nothing you can do about that, is there? Bright lights. Well, it's funny how most people don't have issues with bright lights, isn't it? I mean, this is something that used to cause it for me, but it's funny that I don't have it anymore. Certain foods or changes in your eating pattern. Well, certain foods is definitely true, but like missing a meal is utter nonsense. I actually figured this out by missing a meal. So this is sending you totally down the wrong route. Let's just have a look at a couple more. Migraine Trust, what have they got to say? Like to live, what causes? Here we go. The brain and nervous system depend on a combination of electrical and chemical signals to function. Where a nerve impulse of sufficient strength passes down from one nerve cell towards another, it opens a so-called channel which acts like a gate. This process releases neurotransmitters, which contact the neighbouring cells and tell them how to respond. Do you see why no one's getting anywhere with this problem? These people don't have any answers. So I've just given you back what Google's given you. I don't want to keep going because this is just a total waste of time and I don't want to waste any more of your time. I just want to talk about the lion diet. This is what fixed it for me. Nothing but beef, just water, salt. Try it and see. If you're going for a period like I was where you're getting them every fortnight, just give it a go and see what happens, because I knew after 2 weeks that this was working, because I knew that I was due for one to happen and it didn't. So yeah, I've given you the official answer of what causes hemiplegic migraines. Didn't include anything to do with what I've just shared. What I've actually lived through, what I've experienced, what really worked for me was going on the lion diet. So give it a go. You don't want to be on these drugs, yeah? All of this, like it probably mentioned on here about different drugs that they've got, triptans, whatever. You don't want to take these things. You want to heal it. You want to deal with the root cause, which is what these people don't even consider to be a possibility.